Problem solving involving linear functions. Mark works as a service crew in a fast food center where he earns 45 pesos per hour. How much will he earn in a day if he works for 6 hours? So, yung mga given natin, yung 45 pesos, ito yung amount earned niya per hour. And then yung H, yung number of hours. Ngayon, let us represent this using function notation. So, f of H is equal to 45H. Yung f of H stands for yung number of hours. Yung 45, ito yung 45 pesos per hour niya. So, what is f of 6? So, f of 6 is equal to 45 times 6. So, f of 6 is equal to 270 pesos. So, therefore, Mark will be earning 270 pesos after 6 hours. Mr. Filimon, a science teacher, earns 150 pesos per hour for online tutorial service to a senior high school student. If he spent 2 hours tutoring each day, how much would he receive in 15 days? So, yung solution natin, so yung mga given natin, 150 pesos amount earned per hour. Tapos, yung 2D, yung 2 hours per day, ito yung tutoring service niya per day. So, that is 2D. So, let us represent this in function notation. So, f of 2D is equal to 150 times 2D. So, yung f of 2D dito, yung 2 hours per day, so 2 times 15, so that is 30, is equal to 150 times 2 times 15. So, f of 30 is equal to 4,500. So, therefore, Mr. Filimon will receive 4,500 for 15 days of tutorial service.